Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I thought I'd give you a little glimpse into one of my watercolor workshops that I just did recently in Cape Cod. I did this at the Bay Community Center in Onset, Mass, which is like the beginning of Cape Cod. It's a great center. It has all kinds of programs for youth and adults, and wow, what a view you had at this venue. It was amazing. I generally only do small groups for my workshops, around 25 people max. I want to be able to give people one-on-one time when I'm actually demonstrating and talking about things and going over things with them. It just makes it much easier. I don't want to do super large groups with workshops because you're not getting your bang for your buck, right? You want to get your bang for your buck and also learn something, right? So when there's too many people, you don't get to learn as much. So here's just a little glimpse of Cape Cod. I'm going to give you a little tidbit of the beginning of Cape Cod when we were down there. My husband and I were just bopping around before we went to the workshop. We stayed in Falmouth, went to the vineyard for the day, and then came back and then get ready for our workshop. You know, if you've never been to Cape Cod, it's a magical place. Thousands of people from all over, well, actually thousands, millions of people from all over the globe go here every summer because of that. I mean, you'll see in the vineyard they have these special areas where they have these gingerbread houses in the campground. The views from Gay Head are amazing. I didn't go to Nantucket this weekend, but Nantucket's an amazing island also. The Cape itself is amazing. There's so many great places to go and check out, and the beaches are great. Just watch out for the sharks. We have a shark problem right now. Who would have thought that Jaws would come to life in the 2000s? I mean, it's insane. Anyway, here's a little snippet of my workshop. Check it out, and check out the Onset Bay Center. They'll give you a link below in the description box if you're near the area. They have great adult programs and youth programs. They have sailing and paddleboarding and all that great stuff. The camp for kids, you name it. I mean, if you check out the link, you'll see what they do. And I actually met some of the people who work at the Bay Center, and they're amazing. They're so great, and you would really love it. So check out the little video. So like I said, Cape Cod is just a magical place. You see me paint paintings often from this area because it's just so pretty. I had spent so many memories of my childhood in Cape Cod. This is the lighthouse in Falmouth. This is a little inlet on the other side of Old Silver Beach. I spent the day at Old Silver Beach swimming, and then I did a little warm-up of seashell paintings that I was going to teach my participants at my workshop. And here I'm doing plein air on the beach. Yes, a teeny little block. It was very windy that day. And I have my travel brushes from Princeton and my little travel palette, as you see here. And the kind of metallic, the Princeton brushes container is metallic so that the palette kind of stuck to it. And then on my little drink holder for my chair, I put my portable water glass. Here we are in the vineyard. Like I said, they have some magical places. This is Oak Bluffs. This is a beautiful area. They have all these beautiful gingerbread houses. There's a lot of history in Oak Bluffs. It's a campground. They used to just be building little camps on wooden platforms, and then just built on from there and there as they get old. You know, as time went on, because it was a religious group that used to come here, and they would build this camp, and then they just built these beautiful gingerbread houses that are just gorgeous, all different colors and flowers, etc. Then we went to Edgartown. There's Edgartown Lighthouse, and then Gay Head, which is a beautiful cliffs and views. Back on the boat, heading back to Falmouth. There's so many beautiful places to go in the vineyard. I love it. And we had the most incredible sunset. It was so wonderful. So here's the beautiful Bay Center in Onset. It's a nice brand new building facility, all renovated, right on the beach there in Onset. You can see, you can have so many great activities to go here with the kids. Paddleboarding, there's some sailing, canoeing, I think, or I don't know what kind of boats. They have all kinds of stuff for the kids to do right here on the water. I mean, it's gorgeous. This is the setup of the room that I had for the workshop. Really, really nice. You couldn't ask for a better day or a better view. Just beautiful. I mean, you get inspired just by looking out the window. Here I'm giving a demonstration of a Cape Cod beach scene. Everyone did so well with this painting. I just broke it down step by step, and then went around and checked everybody's paintings, see how they're doing, if they're doing it correctly, etc., etc. We did it step by step. We broke down the sky, then we did the land, etc., slowly, so that people can get exactly what I'm teaching when I'm doing the demonstration. It really helps that way. I think everyone did such an amazing job at this workshop. We had such a great time. Always in the beginning of my workshop, I go over some basics and we do some warm-ups, with water control, because I want to see how well everyone's water control is and if they know the basics. And then we go into like a nice warm-up, which was the seashells, actually, and everyone did some fantastic with that. And I'm just showing the various tones you can put in a seashell. It doesn't have to just be one color. And then we go full on into the landscape. And with the bonus, we did a hydrangea, It's a lot of fun. It's really great to be with people who love to do painting like yourself when you're passionate about that. There's something infectious about it. I just love my participants. They're so great. And look at the results. Fantastic landscapes and seashells and hydrangeas. We had such a great time. Thank you everyone for coming, and check out the Onset Bay Center, the link below, and check out all the things they offer.